Hi, I am Roman Klimenko, a data architect from CluedIn. This video is a short demo of the CluedIn to Kafka connector. On my screen, you can see a CluedIn instance with around 300,000 entities. Let's check one of the entities. On the Properties tab, we can see the properties the golden record of this entity has. We need to create an export target to export CluedIn golden records to Kafka. I select Kafka from the list of available connectors. Next, I need to create a topic in Kafka. Now I need the credentials, a username or a key, and secret or password. I also need the server address. The connection is successful, and we now have a working export target. We need to create a stream that will send data to this target. Configure the filtering condition. Select our export target and provide the topic's name. If we want to export all, turn on all the toggles and auto-select all properties used in this data. Let's start the stream. Now we can check for new messages in Kafka. Here we go. The data is still loading, but we can already see the messages. Each message is a golden record with properties that we configured in CluedIn. Initially, CluedIn will send messages for all the existing data configured in our stream. When the data changes in CluedIn, the updates will also be sent to this topic. This is it. Thank you for your time.